Hey guys, Lonnie here. In today's video, I'm gonna be creating the painting that I promised my other grandma, because I didn't have one for her yet. And as you guys can see in the length of the video, I've gotten much faster at it. I also have like a couple new tools that made especially cleaning the brushes much easier and way less time consuming. My bad. And yeah, really enjoyed this painting. I think this is my favorite yet so far. Little teaser. And yeah, starting off with some liquid white, just getting the canvas all wet, and it has to be very equal, very equally like distributed. So that's how I'm doing that. Starting with the sky, and as you can see on my color plate there, I'm gonna be putting some red in there today again, because I felt like that was the prettiest thing of my other painting, and I really wanted to do this again. Left some couple spots there open in the sky for some clouds. And yeah, as you can see, this red here is really gonna shine through, and I'll make sure that it sticks around at the end of the painting. And yeah, I'm gonna be blending colors here a little bit, making the sky and the water and everything a little bit more blended together. And now it's time for clouds. And guys, the canvas is not too wet, and it's just working as it should, you know, and as it feels good. I haven't done clouds like this here before with this brush at all. But it was really easy and very natural, and yeah, I was really happy with this. Now blending again, but first up, like pulling the clouds upwards a little bit. Yeah, Bob tells me to do it, so I do it, and it looks good. It looks good. Going left to right as well to like blend it all together a little bit. And again, so happy that it actually works. Next up, I'm trying to find colors. I have so many colors. I have way more than the staple back there. And we're doing mountains. You know, I love mountains. This mountain is gonna be very large, and I'm really happy about the colors that I chose here. I actually did a little bit different than Bob. I wanted the mountain to be like reddish and like purplish as well, like the sky there. So it looks like it's actually the sun that's shining this way, you know, on the mountain as well. And it's gonna look great in my opinion. I really love this. I think I'm gonna be doing this with different colors in the future as well. Got rid of the excess paint and then like dragged it all down to get like the basic color of and shape of the mountain. And again, it worked as intended, and I'm so happy I got it right this time. Next up, snow, of course, always. Gotta have snow on mountains. Have a little of red in there again, as I said, just yeah, to get that glow. We already have the background color of the mountain in that purple color, but I also wanted the snow to be a little bit reddish, you know, and that's what we're doing here. We're doing the highlights first. As you can see, I'm leaving some spots open for the shadows, and that's what we're filling in now. The different color. I had some blue in there, some black actually. It's the same color, just darker basically. And yeah, filling out the gaps there a little bit. Obviously leaving some open as well, you know, just putting shadows where I feel like shadows should be. Making the highlights a little bit brighter on some spots because I wanted it. And yeah, that's the mountain. Of course, yeah, I made some mist at the bottom of the mountain as well. Yeah, just blending it all together. And next up are a couple of foothills, because the mountain can't just be there all alone. And we're putting trees on them as well. So I'm lifting up the color that plays there a little bit, just a little bit. And in close range, guys. Oh my god, I'm playing too many video games. This looks like trees because I'm pulling the color up. Next up, we're doing reflections here and a waterline with some white. Yeah, I filled out the gap there a little bit with the mountain color. And next up is already the ground. Oh my god, this is so fast. And yeah, for that, first up, I put some dark color in there. It's brown, it's blue. And yeah, now we're putting some grass on top. I wanted the grass to be more dark this time, that's why I chose these colors. And yeah, putting a couple trees there, I think like 4 trees in total. 3 small ones and 1 very large one. I was very happy about this. But first up, I'm putting in more grass, like on top of this, before we place the final ultra large tree here. I really wanted that. I wanted a very large one. Because I tried this once on that one painting that failed and it looked so bad. So this time I wanted to challenge myself again and do it again. Put some snow in the foreground as well, because I don't know, I just felt like white would feel really nice now, and I really like it. Left some spots open so I can put some grass on top so it looks more realistic. And that's what we're doing there. And yeah, I really enjoyed this painting. It was super fun. Not fully done yet. Put some more paint thinner on there. That's why there's a couple more highlights now in the grass as well. Tree trunks, of course, and over the tree trunks I'm placing more highlights into the trees as well. A little brighter color, also green, to get rid of some of the tree trunks and place highlights at the same time. And yeah, that's it. Signing my painting, and we done here, boys. We done here. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Video was much faster than the last one, just because it took me over like an hour less. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you guys next time. And I hope my grandma enjoys it.